Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. Now, if your phone does not turn off when it's idle, just like this, you might see it's still on for a while. You want to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. So first thing you want to go ahead and check out, let's go into our phone here. We're going to go into our setting on our iPhone, and then we're going to go down here under the section for display and brightness, right? From the display and brightness here, a couple of settings you want to check out is if you have always on, this feature basically will keep your screen on even if it's locked, showing you the clock and the display. So you want to turn that off as one thing. And then if you lock it, you see it's turned off. Now, if you're finding that it still turns on and stays on, the next setting to check out is where it says raise to wake. So you want to turn that setting off. Basically, whenever you raise it, automatically turns on. If it recognizes your face, it'll try to turn on. So you want to turn that setting on. Finally, you can always adjust the auto lock from minute to 30 seconds so that it stays locked automatically after 30 seconds, and then it should be turned off just like that. So these settings will help. Now you can always go ahead back into the settings, see which one of them you can turn all of them off, or you can just adjust it accordingly. But these settings will be the ones that you're going to be taking a look at when it comes to making sure the screen turns off after you have locked it. Finally, the last thing to do is this method. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So to do volume up, volume down, and hold on to the side button, and do not touch the screen because we're going to be forcing it to shut down and then reload the code. So if it's a software related issue where you turn these settings off and it's not working, this is going to go ahead and fix all of those issues. You can see once you see the Apple logo, you let go. This method will not delete any of your data, but it's a crucial step to do when it comes to fixing any software related issue that could be impacting the functionality of your iPhone. So here we're going to wait for the Apple logo to reappear here before we let go, and after it's back on, go back into your phone, ensure those settings again are correctly set in your display. You're going to want to make sure always on display is turned off, raise to wake is turned off, and then set it to 30 seconds, and this should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.